He is the youngest poet of King Gesar's biography, as well as the sole college student among the poets. To record his performances, the university has launched a long filming plan. In this way, he talked and sang for 4 hours in a row. Instead of feeling tired, he was enjoying the moment. It takes over 100 hours for Sita Duoji to tell all the stories in his mind, and that number keeps growing. According to Tibetan tradition, the way Sita Duoji becomes a poet is called charismata. Every day, with his teachers in the research room, Sita Duoji writes down the stories told by the old poets. In the past, many artists couldn't read, but they were able to tell more than 100 legends about King Gesar. This is the song rooted in the plateau. Ancient heritage and modern elements are blended in the endless melody.